How to order a new Presto card. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can order a new Presto card, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to order a new Presto card, just go to prestocard.ca and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, click the account icon from the top right and then just go to this option called account. And once you come to account, on the left hand side you'll be able to see order a new card. So now just select the order a new card option here, and once you select order a new card option over here, just make sure to scroll down, and here you'll be able to see new Presto card. So now all you have to do is actually basically go ahead and then load a minimum of $0.05, and then you should be able to go ahead and then order. Now there's also a certain fee, which is a $4 non-refundable fees for ordering a new Presto card, so you might want to be aware just in case you're not aware of that. Hope this video helped you guys. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.